Unveiling the Meaning, A Light in the Dark. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in stories, movies, or even in daily conversations: a light in the dark. This expression is rich in imagery and meaning, and understanding it can add depth to your comprehension and use of the English language. So, let's illuminate the significance of this beautiful phrase together. A light in the dark is a metaphorical expression used to describe a source of hope, guidance, or comfort in a time of difficulty, despair, or uncertainty. The phrase paints a vivid picture. Imagine being in a completely dark space where you cannot see anything. Then, suddenly, there's a light. This light doesn't just help you see but also brings warmth, safety, and a sense of direction. In a metaphorical sense, this light represents anything that helps someone find their way through a challenging period. To better understand how a light in the dark is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. In personal stories, someone might say, "My friend was a light in the dark during my illness," highlighting how their friend provided support and hope in a difficult time. 2. In literature and movies, authors and filmmakers often use this phrase to symbolize hope or redemption. A character who brings hope to a hopeless situation can be described as a light in the dark. 3. In everyday conversations, you might hear someone say, "Finding this job was a light in the dark after months of searching," to express relief and happiness over finding a job during a tough time. The beauty of a light in the dark lies in its universal symbolism. Light and darkness are powerful opposites that have been used throughout human history to represent good and evil, knowledge and ignorance, hope and despair. By referring to something or someone as a light in the dark, it's not just about literal visibility but about emotional and spiritual support, guidance, and the promise of a better tomorrow. When using a light in the dark, it's important to contextually match it with situations that involve overcoming adversity or finding hope. This phrase is especially powerful in narrative writing, motivational speeches, and personal testimonials. It can elevate your language, making your stories more engaging and your messages more impactful. A light in the dark is more than just a phrase. It's a beacon of hope and a testament to the human spirit's resilience. It reminds us that even in our darkest moments, there is always a glimmer of light somewhere, waiting to be found. We hope this video has illuminated the depth and beauty of this expression for you. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about what those words evoke in us and others. Keep shining your light, and we'll see you in the next video.